Hi, this is a quick video on setting up and using a Powerschool parent account. In order to complete this today, you'll need a few things. You'll need an email address for you to receive notifications. You will also need a unique username and password that you will choose. You will also need to have ready your child's access ID and password. That information will be provided to you from a letter from your child's school. Will have that information. Those will be mailed to parents without accounts on July 1st, 2020. So on your child's iPad or from a computer, you'll need to navigate to powerschool.sanger.k12.ca.us/public. In order to help you with that, we've sent out a web link to all of the iPads. So on our screen right here, you can see I've got two Powerschool web clips here. The first one actually is the Powerschool app, and we're not going to be using that one today. You'll use that once you have an account created and once you've registered your child for the next school year. So in order to create an account or register your child, you'll need to go through the web clip for Powerschool, which is right there on my screen. I'm going to go ahead and open that. It's going to take me right into Safari. So here's where you would normally log in if you had an account, or if you forgot your username or password. Those options are there for you to select. But I'm going to go right over to Create Account. So here's where I'm going to select Create an Account, and I'm going to take a few steps here. It's asking me for my first name here, and my first name is Harry. My last name, Potter. My email address, hpotter@gmail.com. My desired username. Remember, these must be unique, so you need to think about that before you create all of this. And my unique password. And it must match. And then here's where we're going to add my child's name, and you're going to add your child's name in this situation here. So I'm going to add my child's name in here. And I'm going to put in his access ID that I received from my school site. You will have a unique ID number. It's typically 8 digits long. And you'll also get an access password, and it's typically 5 letters. And then you have to pick the relationship here, and I'm the father of Harry Potter Jr. And so with that, you notice I can add other students into this as well. But I'm going to go on down to the bottom, and I'm going to hit enter. And when I enter, passwords do not match. So since I made that error, I'd have to go back in here and re-enter my passwords and make sure that they do match before it'll allow me to create that account. So once that's created, you can go back to that same web clip and you can log in. And from there, on the bottom left, you'll see a student registration link. And so you'll select that, and you can register your student for next year. Again, if you have any questions, please give us a call at 524-7020. Thank you.